Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product. I recently incorporated the beauty of joseon ginseng cleansing oil into my skincare routine, and it has been a game changer. Priced at $20, this product lives up to its promise of providing a deep and moisturizing cleanse. What sets it apart is the blend of oriental herbal ingredients, including glycine soja oil and ginseng seed oil. The formula effectively dissolves dirt, sebum, and makeup residues without clogging pores, leaving my skin feeling remarkably smooth. The runny texture of the oil ensures a thorough cleansing without making my skin feel heavy or greasy. The star ingredient, soybean oil, 50%, proves to be a skin-friendly choice. Rich in barrier-repairing linoleic acid, it not only dissolves impurities but also moisturizes the skin. The addition of ginseng seed oil, 0.1%, contributes to protecting the skin from external stimuli, accompanied by a delightful grassy scent that enhances the cleansing experience. What I appreciate most is the easy application. Just 1 to 2 pumps are sufficient for a thorough cleanse. I massage it onto my dry face, then rinse with lukewarm water before following up with a foam cleanser. This method not only removes makeup effectively, but also simplifies my double cleansing routine. Having switched from micellar water with cotton pads, I've noticed a significant improvement. This cleansing oil eliminates the need for tugging at my skin, providing a gentle yet thorough clean. After each use, my skin feels soft and moisturized, making it a delightful addition to my skincare ritual. In conclusion, the beauty of joseon ginseng cleansing oil has become a staple in my routine. Its efficient makeup removal, skin-friendly ingredients, and the luxurious feel it imparts to my skin make it a product I'll happily repurchase. If you're looking for a reliable and enjoyable cleansing oil, this one is certainly worth considering.